So we have now seen an example of a static member function. There are, however, several restrictions which are placed on static member functions. So first is a static member function does not have a this pointer. What is a this pointer? This pointer is a pointer which stores the address of the object. Okay, object's address is stored inside the this pointer. Okay, but because a static member function belongs to the class, not to any particular object, then it does not have to do anything with the this pointer. That is why it does not have any this pointer. Normally, the address of the current object is quietly passed when any member function is called. Like when you write c1 dot show id, then the secret argument which is passed is the address of this object. This object means the object which is calling show id function, that is c1. Okay, and other arguments are also passed, but secretly we also pass the this pointer. Okay, and but because this static member function is not related to any particular object, therefore this has no static member function has no this pointer. Okay, and this is also the reason why static members can neither access non-static data or nor call non-static members. They can access only static data and they can call only static data members. Okay, in the previous example of counter also, the static member function, which was the static member function show count. Okay, and the static member function accessed which data? It accessed the variable count. And what was count? Count was a static data member. Okay, so a static member function can access only static data member, and a static member function can call only other static member function. Okay, so it cannot access any non-static data member, it cannot call any non-static member function. So if you try to write inside show count cout id, then it will not work. Why? Because id is a non-static data member. Okay, similarly we cannot call show id function inside the show count function. Why? Because show count is a static member function, while show id is a non-static member function. They may only directly refer to other static members of the class, other static data members, or other static member functions. But of course, global functions and data can be accessed by static member functions. Okay, there is no restriction on accessing other global functions or other global data. And there cannot be a static and a non-static version of the same function. Okay, so these are the restrictions which are placed on the static member functions.